Hello everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making a traditional Chinese dish, red braised pork. I've made this countless times and have tried many different versions, including ones from northern and southern China. The version we'll be making today will be one that's simple and incorporates the strings of many other recipes. In this recipe, we'll need the following ingredients: pork, eggs, yellow wine, rock sugar, dark soy sauce, sweet bean paste, regular soy sauce, green onions, raw ginger, bay leaf, and star anise. Preheat a cast iron pan, put the pork belly skin down, apply pressure, ensuring that each part is touching the bottom of the pan. Fry until golden brown, then wash with cold water. Cut into 1.5-inch cubes and cut the ginger into big slices. Preheat a non-stick skillet, drizzle in some vegetable oil, and place half of the rock sugar into the skillet. Caramelize the sugar, then add a cup of hot water. Add in both soy sauces, sweet bean paste, and the other half of rock sugar. Layer the ginger slices on the bottom of the clay pot. Place the pork on top, put in the bay leaves and star anise, then top with another layer of green onions. Pour in yellow wine, put on a lid, and cook 5 minutes on medium. Pour in the rock sugar and the soy sauce mixture from earlier. Add in additional 10 ounces of hot water and let simmer for 40 minutes. In the meantime, prepare some eggs. Remember, poke holes on the top of small side. I use an egg cooker. You can just boil them in water. After fully cooking, place them in ice water immediately to make for an easier peel later. 40 minutes later, take out the condiments, drop the eggs in, and put the lid back on to simmer for another 30 minutes. After which, take the lid off and put on high heat to reduce for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. Wow, this looks delicious! I can't wait to try it out! Alright, I'm going to start eating now. See you guys next time.